So, for the last part of this course, you came very far. We want to talk about different muscle types of skeletal muscle. At first, we talked about the skeletal muscle, and now I have to tell you that the skeletal muscle is has different types. So you have the different types of muscle: skeletal, smooth, and cardiac. And then you have three types of skeletal muscle. And basically, you have three types of muscle. You have three different types. So the first one is type 1 is slow twitch, in short form ST. And this muscle is for endurance. This one can work for hours and hours and hours. Which you can see here. Like long distance running. The type 2A is for fast oxidative glycolytic twitch, FOGT in short, and he's responsible for moderate force and endurance. You will see this one here. It's like middle distance running. It's like 3K kilometers. Yeah, where you will put in force and power, but it's not like a 100-meter sprint. You will walk like with 80% of your maximum power. And then you will have type 2B, which is a real fast twitch, in short FT muscle, which you will see here. This is third. The third muscle is responsible for short bursts of highly intensive activities and force generation. The muscle has no endurance and is almost not resistant to fatigue. So, like Usain Bolt, when he's sprinting 100 meters, he is using his type 2B muscles. And we will see pictures of athletes how these different muscles, these different muscles will look like. And every muscle type is specialized for various activities. As I said here, the first one is responsible for long distance running, the second for like 3K running, and the third for sprinting. And every type has to be trained different. You will see a sprinter is training different than a long distance runner, and he is capable of performing different activities. So at this picture, we will look at the end for like a summary. And now we will talk about type 1 muscle fibers. So we said one is long distance running, and it's a perfect example. We have Richard Ringer here, a marathon runner. And if you're running for like over 50 kilometers, the muscle will perform really different things like if you're sprinting 100 meters. So the type 1 muscle fibers are known as slow twitch or oxidative fibers. They need oxygen. And they are adapted for endurance activities and prolonged contractions, like slow but static contraction. They contain a high concentration of mitochondria, capillary, and myoglobin, which provide a steady supply of oxygen and energy. You will see it here. These red things, which you won't have these much here, they are, that's the myoglobin. You will see we will turn, like, if you look at it, like red. And they gain and regenerate ATP primarily through oxidative metabolism. So you have oxygen in these contractions, and they contract relatively slow. Because of this, they are called slow twitch, ST, but they are highly resistant to fatigue. Like you can run 40 kilometers or more, or people running like ultra running, like 100 kilometers. They will do the job, the muscles. And they are well suited for activities like, as I said, long distance running or long distance cycling. For the second, you will see what I wanted to tell you. Will see the muscles are shaped. They don't have big legs and um, really intense, and they have a crazy volume. They are just small, and as you see here, for the marathon runner, this is like slow twitch muscles will look like. Yeah, they are small.